Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kenzie. Today we're making candy cane bike, and you need candy canes, and you need dark chocolate and white chocolate. Let's get started. First, you're gonna put the dark chocolate chips in the bowl. Make sure all of it. You have to do all of it. I have to open it first. Okay, cool. Maybe I might have to make it bigger. I might have to get more bigger. Hello. Now we're gonna melt them in the microwave. While you're waiting it to melt, you have to put your pan like this. Once it's melted, put the chocolate into your pan. Now, once your chocolate's melted, make sure you pour it and spread it evenly. Once it's all spread out, it should look like this. Put that in the freezer for 10 minutes. So while your chocolate is setting, you can crush your candy canes. So we're opening the candy canes and then putting them in the bag, and then we're crushing them with this. This wood stick. Yeah, sticky. My candy canes are in the bag here. I have 4 of them here, and we're just gonna crush them up now. So, your crushed up candy canes should look like this. Now, just put them over to the side. And now get another big bowl and melt your white chocolate chips. I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, let's melt this. Now you do the same thing that you did with the chocolate. You pour this on, and then except you're not doing the exact same. You're gonna pour your candy canes as soon as you do this. We're putting the candy canes on as soon as possible. Okay. Oh, that just looks so yummy. Put in the freezer for another 10 minutes, and then you can taste it. Look at my candy cane bike. Look, you can see each way. You can see the dark chocolate, the light chocolate, and the candy cane. Okay, we're gonna try it. That is good. Really good. It's so yummy. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. That's the end.